Hello, very good morning. Myself Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services, Bangalore. Now I'm in front of Baskir State Medical University. You can see, and this is one of the fantastic place across this Russian Federation for study of medicine. It's a like month of March. Still there's just snow. You can see surrounded to me. But yes, now slowly again summer starts. From the first week of April we can expect like heavy sunlights. Overall motto for recording this video is to give you the information that Baskir State Medical University is on the top university across this Russian Federation, and if any student wants to pursue medical, they are most welcome. They can join through ITCS, and we are the recruiting partner of this particular medical university. Now I'm on the center part of this university. It's a walking area for the student, beautifully decorated area. You can see surrounding of me full of snow and well decorated with the different mementos. By seeing that you can understand the history of the university. So one of the fantastic place for the study, fun, enjoyment, and for the life career boosting. Anybody interested to join this particular university can contact me on below mentioned details. Thank you. Hello, I'm in front of the anatomy building of this Baskir State Medical University. It is one of the old building among this particular institution. It is upgraded into the latest technologies requirements as per the date, and here actually students used to come for their practical classes in the anatomy sections. So anybody those looking to join for this particular university, you have a great opportunity. You can contact me. You can come across the complete process and you can join here. Thank you.